Welcome to the Midweek Refuel with Lupus and Color, where we strive to educate, inspire, encourage, and empower lupus warriors all around the world. So today's Midweek Refuel, coming early this morning. I'm having my coffee, eating my little egg sandwich, and I'm sitting here thinking, and I'm seeing a lot of chatter about doctors not knowing much about lupus and how frustrating that is. And I'm not going to lie, it's frustrating as hell to go to doctors that don't understand lupus. But what I have learned since I've been on this lupus journey is that doctors only get maybe a day of training for rheumatoid issues or things of that nature, autoimmune issues and things of that nature. The other thing is that because our body is so in depth, our body is not simple. It's complicated to keep you going and to fight off diseases. And couple that with people not even knowing what lupus is. You figure it's 2023 and we still have doctors who have not been versed enough in autoimmune conditions so that they can help us. I don't know if that's a flaw in the medical system or a flaw in human system or the nature of lupus being such a varied and difficult disease, not only to diagnose, but to handle, to treat, and all of that. So I guess what I want to talk about for this midweek refuel is to be patient with your doctor, but be adamant in finding out how to treat your lupus. I understand that it takes so long to get a lupus diagnosis. And then when you get the diagnosis, it might take years to get a treatment that works for you. I want you to be able to keep your options open for everything. Don't close out the door. Don't close the window. Don't close the door to other ways to finding out how you can treat your lupus. Try anything and everything that will help you live better beyond lupus. Because we don't want to just knock traditional medicine, because traditional medicine is helping some, me being one of them. We don't want to knock adding on holistic treatments to our traditional medicine, because that works for some people. We don't want to just knock off not ever using holistic treatments as far as herbal remedies and things of that nature and never doing that. No, we want to keep all of our options open. You see my hair just fell down, right? We want to keep all our options open. And we want to make sure that not only are we being patient with ourselves, but we're being patient with the doctors that have not been given the skill set to really treat specific autoimmune conditions like lupus. Lupus is so varied. It's so crazy. It's so unpredictable. It does so many different things in so many different ways, just like other diseases. That's why it takes so long to get a diagnosis. That's why it takes so long to get the correct treatment, because everybody's body is different. So I hear the frustration, and I have been there. I'm still there. Sometimes people just don't understand. But that is our opportunity to educate from our knowledge. Our doctors, yes, we can educate our doctors. We can talk to our doctors in ways that will help them understand that this is important and that it's not just a lupus thing. Because, some people say that. I've had people ask me, hey, how's that lupus thing? That lupus thing? It's not a thing, number one. This is what my life has been relegated to, of dealing with a disease that has totally uprooted my life. But even doctors speak that way. So I think we teach people exactly how to handle us on our lupus journey, including doctors. including doctors. We teach them how to talk to us. We teach them how to advocate for us. We teach them how to want to find out and figure out everything that's going on with our body. And it starts with us. It starts with us being patient with ourselves because our body is changing. Being patient with our doctors when they don't know or understand. We have to educate them as well. Educate them about the disease that's going on in our bodies. And educate them about things that you have heard and see how they can incorporate that in your treatment. So today's Midweek Refuel is really about just staying open and allowing yourself to be a vessel to educate everyone about lupus in your body. And that includes your doctors, that includes your therapists, that includes your family, that includes your friends. It's so important that we train people how to speak to us and how to work hard for us. Now, look, the doctors need to do more. The medical system needs to do more to educate doctors about what lupus is, how lupus is treated. And then they have to go case by case basis because all of our bodies are different. What works for me may not work for Sally. What works for Sally may not work for Jim. So we have to train people how to really help and advocate for us. And we have to be vigilant and taking that frustration and making it something powerful that can help us. So if you got anything from what I just said this morning, take the time to be patient with yourself, be patient with your doctors, but be vigilant and be vigilant and very direct with how you tell your doctors what you expect from them. And if they don't know, ask them to go and find someone that does know. This way, you can have a team of doctors, a team of holistic care practitioners, a team of therapists. You have all of these people that have different experiences with the human body, the mind, and the spirit, and you're able to get a holistic treatment for you. Now, remember, holistic does not mean that you just remove traditional medicine. It's encompassing the whole individual, mind, body, soul. So just keep your options open. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with your doctor, but also be vigilant and making sure that they are working hard for you and that you are working hard for yourself. Thank you for always tuning into the Midweek Refuel. We are in October, and we have a fantastic group over at the Fly Butterfly program. If you have not signed up, hit me up with your name, first name, last name, and your email, and we will sign you up. It's a great group just for lupus warriors, not on Facebook, not on Instagram. It is personable, made for lupus warriors, and to teach you how to cope a little better and to give you a support system that is beyond compare as what you can get anywhere else. So come on out and join that Fly Butterfly program. If you are part of that program, let us shout it out down in the comments below and let us know that you are enjoying it. Thank you guys for always tuning in, and I hope that you have a good week and a good rest of your day. Bye.